Hello, I'm Nika, co-founder of Coffee with 7 years of experience in coffee industry. From my experience, installing coffee machine presents significant challenge for small and medium-sized offices. After having interviews with office managers in California, we discovered that the same opportunity exists in US too. The main obstacles are the large upfront investment and high lease fees. So currently, companies have to choose between high initial cost with no maintenance support or limited coffee choice with waste money on lease. Global market facing this problem is huge. The United States holds the largest share at 6 billion USDs, and 12% from this comes on fastest growing market of California. That's why and where we decided to step in with our digital platform, offering companies cost-effective and tailored coffee solutions. We are the ones connecting coffee producers, machine sellers, and financial institutions in one digital ecosystem. As demonstrated in our MVP, this makes companies able to subscribe to our coffee service, to select coffee machine, and to pay its wholesale price on monthly basis, saving nearly half the cost. Our business model gains revenue from coffee subscription with 30% profit margin on coffees. It has already been tested and launched in Georgia. We are a highly experienced team with 35 years of combined experience, 7 years in coffee industry, and more than 8 years in software development. Our go-to-market strategy targets office managers in California through paid advertisement and popular tools like LinkedIn. We also build partnerships with business centers too. By 2027, we aim to acquire 15% market share in California and then start expanding throughout US. Over the next 5 years, we expect high growth, increasing our revenue from 3 to 20 million USDs. We are looking for 200,000 investment to boost our market presence and attract customers. Thank you.